Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Eaton Generator Interlock Kit is probably one of the most important safety devices you can have when using a portable generator during a power outage. This video will provide a comprehensive overview of this essential kit, covering its features, installation process, and safety precautions, helping you make an informed decision about whether it's the right choice for your home. Number 5. Eaton BR Generator Interlock. It's designed for Eaton Cutler Hammer BR and CH series panels, specifically those with 150 to 200 amp capacity and 114 to 1716-inch breaker spacing. Make sure your panel matches these specifications before installation. This interlock is built to last. It's constructed from a corrosion-resistant, high-hardness aluminum alloy for long-lasting performance and reliability. The anodized surface provides excellent electrical and heat insulation, adding an extra layer of safety for your generator connection. Everything you need is included: the interlock itself, safety labels, retainer straps, a drill bit, and clear installation instructions. It's ready to install right out of the box. If it doesn't work correctly, don't use it. Contact us immediately for assistance. Your safety is our priority. What we like. This interlock kit boasts superior compatibility with various Eaton models. Its robust aluminum construction ensures lasting performance. The anodized surface adds an extra layer of safety and protection. If you need a reliable and long-lasting solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The kit is a must if you are installing a portable generator at home. The kit even included the drill bit needed to make the holes in the faceplate, and it only took me 15 minutes to install. Comprehensive instructions and the warning stickers are a nice add-on. The interlock was easy to install and works great. A drill is required. I used a drill press, but a small electric hand drill can easily be used to drill 3 3/16 holes. The kit even includes a drill bit. Installation is a simple process for anyone with basic handyman skills. This will keep everybody down the line safe. I'm talking about linemen working to restore power in the neighborhoods. If you use this device and you have your generator wired into your panel, you can operate the generator breaker until your main is off. No back feet down the line. Works great. Very simple. Highly recommended if generator is wired into your panel box. With no automatic changeover panel. Highly recommend. Number 4. Eaton Cutler Hammer Generator Interlock Kit. It's compatible with Eaton Cutler Hammer BR and CH series 150 or 200 amp panels. Make sure your panel and breaker spacing match before ordering. This kit is designed for a specific breaker spacing, 114 to 1716 inches between the main breaker and generator breakers. Double-check your panel's measurements. It includes everything you need: an interlock panel, drill bit, labels, screws, nuts, zip ties, and instructions for easy installation. It's made from durable, corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy for long-lasting performance and safety. The anodized finish provides extra protection. This kit prevents both municipal power and generator power from being on simultaneously, eliminating the risk of backfeeding. It safely directs generator power to your home circuits. It ensures safe access to household appliances during outages. It's designed to provide peace of mind and protect your family. We specialize in generator interlock kits, committed to providing high-quality products for your safety. Electricity safety is our priority. What we like. This kit is compatible with a wide range of Eaton models. It's constructed from heavy-duty, corrosion-resistant materials for superior durability. The design prioritizes safe generator power integration. If you prioritize safety and compatibility, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This interlock kit will prevent problems while powering your home with a portable generator. For those wondering, as I was, this interlock works perfectly on Eaton BR panels installed with the main breaker on the bottom upside down. The generator breaker goes on the bottom left. Needed this for an Eaton BR panel. It was just right and easy to install. Number 3. Eaton Cutler Hammer Generator Interlock Kit. This kit is designed for Eaton Cutler Hammer Challenger BR, 200 150 and 200 amp panels. It ensures safe generator power connection. It's compatible with breaker spacing between 114 and 112 inches. Easy installation for most homes. This kit safely directs generator power to your home circuits. Avoid power outage inconveniences. It allows safe access to all your home electrical appliances during an outage. Peace of mind during emergencies. Ideal for snowstorms or thunderstorms. Keep your essential appliances running during power failures. It comes with everything you need: interlock plate, screws, nuts, labels, zip ties, instructions, and even a drill bit. Ready to install right out of the box. What we like. This option is perfect for specific Eaton Challenger models. It offers a straightforward installation process. It ensures safe generator power integration during outages. If you value ease of use and safety, this is a great option. What people say. Very complete kit, easy to install, good instructions. System works as it should. Just installed the interlock and found that it fit perfectly and is well made. Number 2. Eaton Cutler Hammer Generator Interlock Kit. This kit ensures safe generator power integration. It prevents simultaneous activation of utility and generator power, avoiding dangerous power surges. It's designed for Eaton Cutler Hammer CH and BR Series 150 and 200 amp panels. Make sure your panel spacing is between 114 and 1716 inches for a proper fit. This interlock kit is made from high-hardness, CNC machined aluminum alloy. The anodized surface provides excellent thermal and electrical insulation. It prevents dangerous backfeeding situations during power outages. This ensures your safety and the safety of utility workers. Installation is a breeze. It includes a sturdy drill bit for easy panel access, and requires no extra control box or wiring. Everything you need is included for a seamless installation. Get peace of mind knowing your home is protected. What we like. This kit offers broad compatibility with Eaton CH and BR series panels. It's made from durable, high-hardness aluminum. The simple design makes installation a breeze. If you need a simple, durable, and widely compatible solution, this is for you. What people say. The installation directions were clear and the self-adhesive labels were high quality as well. I particularly like the mounting fasteners, which provide a secure connection yet allows for free movement of the slide mechanism. If you have any electrical and DIY experience, this will be a 10-minute tops install. Perfect fit. It is a good safety precaution in my opinion. Number 1. Eaton Cutler Hammer Generator Interlock Kit. This Eaton Generator Interlock Kit is UL tested for safe backfeeding power during outages. It prevents both utility and generator power from being on simultaneously, protecting your devices and electrician. It's compatible with Cutler Hammer CH Series 150 or 200 amp load centers, requiring 114 to 1716 inches spacing between breakers. It easily mounts on the front of your panel, no extra wiring needed. Switching between utility and generator power is simple with its sliding lock plate. It clearly indicates your power source, keeping you safe and comfortable during power outages. Made from high-quality, chemical-resistant aluminum alloy, it's built to last. The smooth, chamfered surface ensures a comfortable and safe user experience. Everything you need is included: interlock plates, screws, a drill bit, labels, and zip ties. It also comes with a lifetime warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This interlock kit is UL listed for safety and reliability. Installation is quick, easy. The durable aluminum construction ensures long-term performance. If you prioritize safety, ease of use and longevity, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Wired in my portable generator to the panel. Wanted everything to be safe and easy, especially if I wasn't home to turn it on. Interlock works great, main has to be turned off before generator can be turned on. Just what I wanted. Easy to install. It works. It's solid and will probably outlast the house. Great product that makes me feel much safer when the generator has to be connected to my board. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.